Hello, my name is Kenzo, and in this video, you will acquire English naturally by watching, listening, and following along as I play Skyrim. Part 3. In the last video, I fought a dragon here at this tower, and I killed it, and I absorbed its power. And I discovered that I'm something called a dragonborn. My objective now is to go back to Jarl Balgruuf. So let's go back to Whiterun and talk to the Jarl. I'll open up my map. Oh look, I leveled up. First I'm going to level up. I'll upgrade my magicka again. Yeah, now I've got 120 magicka. I want to cast spells and use one-handed weapons. So let's go to one-handed. Right here, I'm level 22 in one-handed. And I'll get this first perk, Armsman. Now, one-handed weapons do 20% more damage. That's pretty good. Now, I'll go back to my map, and I'll return to Whiterun to talk to the Jarl. I'm fast traveling back to Whiterun. Alright, let's go back to Dragon's Reach and talk to the Jarl. Up the stairs. And we've entered. We've entered Dragon's Reach. Let's go find the Jarl. There he is.
You're finally here. The Jarl's been waiting for you.
Oh, the Jarl's been waiting for me.
So what happened at the watchtower? Was the dragon there?
Yes, and I killed it. I'll say the watchtower was destroyed, but we killed the dragon.
I knew I could count on Irileth, but there must be more to it than that.
Turns out, I may be something called Dragonborn. I'll tell the Jarl that I'm the Dragonborn.
Dragonborn. Go to High Hrothgar. Learn what the Greybeards can teach you. You've done a great service.
Okay, I need to go to High Hrothgar and meet the Greybeards.
I name you Thane of Whiterun.
Whoa!
It's the greatest honor that's within my power to grant. I assign you Lydia as a personal housecarl, and this weapon from my armory to serve as your badge of office.
I became the Thane of Whiterun. The Thane is someone very important in the city. My new objective is to speak to the Greybeards. I'll open up my map. Here's my map. I need to go here to Iverstead. It looks like there are some mountains here that are blocking the path. So I think I'm gonna have to go around this mountain. Okay. Let's exit Dragon's Reach.
Appointed me to be your housecarl. It's an honor to serve you.
So this is Lydia, and Lydia will now fight with me. I'll say, follow me. I need your help.
Lead the way.
All right, this is my new follower. Lydia and I will fight together. I'll exit Dragon's Reach. It's morning. It's a beautiful morning here in Whiterun. Look at all these bugs. Lots of colorful bugs. Alright, I'm gonna leave Whiterun. Let's get out of Whiterun. Exit. And now I'll start heading towards my objective marker. It's this way. There's a stream here. And there's some bugs flying above the stream. It's a beautiful day. There's a windmill. So many butterflies. Whoa. So many butterflies. Look at all these butterflies. Wow. Alright, let's cross this bridge. There's a waterfall here. Listen to the roaring stream. There's some fish jumping out of the stream. Alright. Let's continue following this path. We're leaving Whiterun. Goodbye, Whiterun. We're going to Iverstead. Oh! 3 wolves. I'm gonna get out my sparks. Die, wolf! Alright. Lydia and I killed these wolves. Good job, Lydia. Good job. Oh. Is that a fox? I think that's a fox. Oh! Oh no, the wolves are chasing the fox! No! No, wolf! No! We have to defend the fox. You're safe. I defended the fox. Die, wolf! Alright. I've killed a lot of wolves in this video. Let's go up the staircase. Whoa. Are those giants? I think I found some giants. Crouch. There are 2 giants here. I'm going to sneak around the giants. I'm getting away from these giants. I'm gonna go down this way. Oh, the stream is beautiful. Iverstead is this way. Let's go over this bridge. A goat. Another sign. Iverstead, this way. Hey. No! No, 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 no! This fox is my friend. Come on. Let's go, let's go. Iverstead is this way. The fox is coming with me to Iverstead. Come on, fox. Let's go, let's go. Oh. He's going with his friend. Alright. Goodbye, fox. Another sign. Iverstead. This way. Alright, we need to go up. Oh! A skeever. Did this skeever kill this fox? What? Oh, there's someone here.
Please help. I can pay you.
Are you okay?
Bandits attacked and ransacked my cart.
Ooh.
Can you help me?
Some bandits attacked this guy and stole his things. What can I do?
My camp is nearby in the ruins of Nilheim. Get me there safely, and you'll be rewarded.
Okay, let's take this guy back to his camp.
It's just across the bridge and up that hill.
Okay. He said it's across the bridge and up the hill.
We're close now. I can see the camp.
Okay. He said we're close.
Wait here. I'll be right back with your reward.
He told me to wait here.
Now ain't this a surprise?
Time to kill these people. He tricked me. This guy tricked me. Die, Telrev. Die, bandit. Alright. I killed all these bandits. Let's see what they have. Some gold. More gold. More gold. Oh. There's another red dot up there. Is there one more? I'll get out my mace. I think there's one in this tower. Let's cross this bridge. And let's enter the tower.
Where are you?
I hear someone. I'll crouch. I'm crouching. Surprise! And die! Alright, I killed him. He dropped his sword. What do you have, bandit? More gold? A lockpick? Where did Telrav go? Oh, here he is. 35 gold, 14 arrows. Over here, there's a table and a chair. And on the table, there's a keg and a wooden plate with some meat on it. There's also a knife over here and a cup. There are 2 more tables over here. 1, 2. On this table, there's a dagger. There's a dagger stuck in the table. And 3 gold. 1, 2, 3. There's also a coin purse here. A bag of gold. I'll take that. In that bag, there was 14 gold. There's a satchel on the table. And in the satchel, there's a fish. There's a fish in the satchel. I don't really want this. A chest. 47 gold. An iron ingot, like in Minecraft. 4 lockpicks, a potion, a scroll. Alright, I got distracted here with these bandits. Let's go back to looking for Iverstead. Let's cross the bridge. And I think Iverstead is up this way? A guard. Are we getting close? Let me see the map. Yeah, look! We're really close to Iverstead. By the way, if you're enjoying these videos, and if you'd like to practice speaking English with me, you could book a call with me on Google Meet or Tencent Meetings by clicking up here. I can hear a wolf. Oh no. Die! So many wolves. We made it! It's Iverstead. We made it to Iverstead. Let's cross the bridge. Here's a guard. An Iverstead guard. This building is an inn, so people can go to eat and sleep in the inn. Here, they saw logs. Oh, it's a moose. This moose was charging at me. All right. Where is my objective? It's this way. I'm going to open up my map again. My map. Okay, now that I made it to Iverstead, I need to go to High Hrothgar. I need to go to the top of this mountain. Alright, let's go up the steps. I'm climbing up the mountain. I'm following the path to High Hrothgar. It looks like the sun is going down. It's evening. Oh, look at that full moon. Oh, it looks like here the ground changes to snow. There's snow covering the ground. I'm really high up now. It looks really cold. All the trees are covered in snow. What is that? A troll? Uh-oh, uh-oh. Okay, I'm going to use sparks with both hands. Both hands. Oh, yeah. Lydia's shooting arrows at the troll. Good job, Lydia. Die, Frost Troll! Uh-oh, 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 uh-oh. No! I'll get out my mace. Let's fight it. Die, Troll! Die, Troll! And I'll shoot sparks. Electricity. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Wait. I need to drink a potion. Items. Potions. I need to drink some healing potions. Look at my health. 1, 2, 3. I drank 3 healing potions. Okay, now we can fight again. Die, troll! Sparks! Die! Oh, I killed it! I killed it! I almost died there. I'm getting really close to the top of this mountain. Wow. I can see so far from up here. I can see some kind of temple over there. I can see a big lake. I have to be getting close to High Hrothgar. Let's see. Oh yes, I'm very, very close. Just a little bit further. Oh, there it is! There it is. Here's High Hrothgar. This is where I'm going to meet the Greybeards. High Hrothgar discovered. A chest. But it's empty. There's nothing in this chest. Alright. Let's enter High Hrothgar. Open. Ooh, there's somebody walking towards me. 2 people. 1, 2. Another one. I think these are the Greybeards.
So, a dragonborn appears. Strike us with the power of your voice.
Alright, it's time for me to shout.
Boos!
Boos!
Dragonborn, it is you. Welcome to High Hrothgar.
I proved to the Greybeards that I'm the Dragonborn by shouting.
Use your unrelenting force shout to strike the targets as they appear.
Okay. I need to shout at the targets. This guy? Shout! I did it once. Okay. Here we go, number 2. Now I've done it twice.
Once more.
One more time. Here we go. I shouted at it. Roar!
Impressive. Your thumb is precise.
There we
You show
go.
great promise, Dragonborn.
I did it.
Follow Master Bori.
Okay. We're going to the courtyard. I'll follow this guy. Bori. Let's follow Bori to the courtyard. Come on, Bori. To the courtyard. Come on. Bori walks very slow. Very slowly. Here's the courtyard.
You will now see how you learn a completely new shout.
Ooh.
Master Bori
It's time to learn a new shout. Alright, I learned a new shout. It's time to try it. Whirlwind sprint. Whoa!
Your turn. Stand
Oh, okay. I'll go to magic. Shouts. Whirlwind sprint. Here's my new shout. I'll equip it. And now, let's try it. Alright, cool.
your quick master. You are now ready for your last trial.
My last trial.
Retrieve the horn of Jürgen Windcaller, our founder, from his tomb in the ancient fane of Ustengrav.
Alright, I have a new objective. Now, I'll go to quests. I have to retrieve the horn of Jürgen Windcaller. Ooh, I need to go way to the north. I need to go way up here to Ustengrav. But I'll do this in the next video, because I'm going to end this video right here. If these videos are being helpful to you, the best way to support this channel is by going to my Ko-Fi page and making a donation, or by going over to my shop and buying some of my artwork. You can check it out by clicking up here. Like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. See ya!